how I can get the students, how I can get this data if my O is pointing to this one, how we can get the students, how we can retrieve the data, how you can retrieve the data, how you can retrieve the data. Yes, by using o.h or not, by using o.h or not. So simply you can return one category. This is my category view. Okay, one category to another category. If you want some gap, just you can put like a para. Okay, see how many categories, how many categories it is going to return, how many paras it is going to return. Three. That means three categories is going to return. Inside the category, what you want me to show? Okay, first time you should have to show like, okay, heading. How we can get the heading? O.h. O.h. Done. Okay, first time heading. Okay, come here and check. Yes, you can get that headings. It gives me an error. Fix it first. Is that O is not defined? O is not defined. Where is that O? Yes. Now come here. Can I refresh my page? Yes, students, player, heroes. Yes, first part completed. Student, player, zero. After the students, right after the students, you need what? My students list, my players list, like this or not? Okay, now come here. Now come here. Here, my students are okay. After the students, what do you want me to prepare? Can anyone guess? Your items, that related category items or not. Now tell me how I can get these items if my O is pointing to this first one, how I can get these items? O dot D or not? O dot D. Can anyone guess? My O dot D is which type? My O dot D is which type? My O dot D is like an array type or not? See, O dot D is which type? O is an object, O dot D is like an array type. If you have an array, can you prepare the items? If you have the players, are you able to prepare the players list or not? Same like this, can you prepare? Okay, so how we can prepare? Can anyone guess? How we can prepare the items? Okay, very simple thing. You can use one UL or LI. Okay, UL you can use it. UL you can use it. Yes. Inside this UL, okay, okay, which one you want me to repeat? Which one you want me to repeat? This O dot D, this data you have to repeat or not? Okay, so how we can write it? My O dot D dot map. Okay, it's take one function as an argument. No for each or something. The same map only. Why? Because you have to prepare the list items with my S1 what? One list item. With my S2 what? One list item. Okay. O dot D is an array. Okay, my array is pointing to S1, S2, S3. First time it gives me the first value, comma. Okay, inner index. This is the outer index. This is the inner one. Now here can be written a li with what? With my item, list items. Now can you come here? Can I refresh my page? Yes. How does it look like? Is it working as expected or not? Yes or no? This is only our requirement or not? In this particular category, students category S1, S2, S3, S4, players category this one, and heroes category this one. Done. So can we write the list items? Okay. Can anyone tell? List items are okay. I want to write the unique identity. Can anyone guess which one is repeated multiple times here? Which one? Which elements are repeated multiple times here in this part? Can anyone guess? Yes, my para repeating multiple times, so that can we give the unique identity for this particular one is like OI, outer index. Here the next one, which one is repeated? List item also repeated multiple times or not, so that here also can be write what a unique identity like what. Now yes, done. Nothing as expected or not. So O dot D means, see this, first time my O is an object, it's pointing to this one. This is pointing to this one. O dot D, how we can retrieve the data from the object? By using dot notation. O dot D is nothing but this data. It's an array data. Okay, on this array, you can perform what? Your operation map. You can perform your operation, whatever you want. Agreed? Okay. Here you can use an array, but that array coming from here or not. But that array is coming from here. That array is coming from here. Okay, so that you should first time a O is pointing to this one. Okay, O dot H is nothing but heading, O dot D is nothing but an array. Once I have an array, again I'm repeating here, and you're preparing what? A list of items inside this category or not. Inside this category, prepare a list of items. Okay, any other questions? Yes, here instead of this O dot array, yes, you can write it, no problem at all. This is the one, right? Okay, here you can do one thing. Let okay, my items equals to O dot T. That items you can put it, no problem at all. Items you can put it. Okay, here it should work as expected. There is no issues with that. Okay, this is not the reusable component. That is the next topic. The reusable components are like next topic. Okay, if you have this heading is one object, the data is another object. First of all, you have to prepare it. Okay, you have to merge into one object, then only it's possible, otherwise not. Okay, you have to prepare the data. You have to prepare the data. Okay, in which format my map is going to accept, you have to prepare the data and then you have to render it. You have to render it. Okay, if you know the array methods, okay, simply object related stuff, simply you can get that data from the objects, you can merge into another object by using that operator. You can come up with your structure. Okay, how to prepare, I will tell you. Okay, this is the data. My data is looks like this. I want in this format. Then the time I can tell how to prepare from this inputs data. Okay, how we can get your expected output. Okay. Okay, then we'll see remaining things in tomorrow's class. Thanks, guys. Thanks for joining. Okay, I will upload this one. Just you can try the tic-tac one. If you have any question, that means if you find any errors, just fix it. Try to fix that. I'll upload within half an hour. Just you can do. Okay, the class videos and everything you have to check with them. Naresh people.